If you also struggle to find any specific part design feature commands within CATIA v5, I highly suggest that you restore their position to default. Locate the Restore Position option. On the top menu, select the Tools section. Afterwards, on the drop-down list, select Customize. Go to the third panel named Toolbars. Afterwards, select the Restore Position and confirm the change by clicking on the OK button. After the reset, all the toolbars will be docked within the right side panel. You can reposition them by grabbing each toolbar using the left click. Feel free to reposition the toolbars as you please. You can enable additional toolbars by right-clicking on the ribbon. I prefer to keep graphic properties enabled on the left side of the screen. Depending on your screen resolution, you need to keep dragging toolbars from the right side of the screen until you see the blank ribbon. Now select a plane, for example XY plane, and enter Sketch Workbench. This workbench can be restored using the same method. From the top menu, go to Tools. From the drop-down list, select Customize. Go to Toolbars and click on Restore Position. Confirm the selection with the OK button. Reposition the toolbars as you please. I prefer to enable graphic properties within this workbench as well. Now you can start practicing CATIA v5 as you have access to all the toolbars. If you find this video useful, you can check my other videos for various tips and tricks. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any question regarding this, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and remember to follow your dreams within your lifelong learning journey.